Hello everyone, Polina Art here as always. Today I have a very interesting review of my new clothes for you. I just made some amazing purchases and I'm happy to share them with you. First, I want to show you this cute light blue pajama set. It has short shorts with little bows and a wonderful shirt with the romantic word love on it. Let me try it on. These pajamas are so cozy and comfortable. It's impossible not to feel comfortable in them. Aren't they cute? Next up is a bright red bodysuit. It looks very juicy and stunning. Let me try it on too. What do you think? It accentuates my figure beautifully and is perfect for a night out. Now let's look at the third option. A gray bodysuit. It's a more neutral color, but it also looks great on the figure. It's a great option for everyday wear. Comfortable and stylish, just what you need for walking around town. The fourth bodysuit is bright red again, but it's more open and shorter. A great option for beach season. It looks just perfect, and I'll definitely stand out on the beach in it. The last thing I want to show you is a soft blue bodysuit with separate sleeves. It looks very sophisticated and beautifully emphasizes the figure. It's an incredibly beautiful and elegant bodysuit, and it makes me feel like a real princess. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for being with me, and if you liked the review, don't forget to subscribe to my OnlyFans page so you don't miss new videos and fashion finds.